Okay. Good afternoon. Today we're going to present about Alzheimer's disease predictive system, and my teammates are Aishwarya, Swapnali, and myself, Harika. So, why Alzheimer's disease? Alzheimer's affects over 55 million people globally, and it's a significant concern in cognitive health. Genetic factors, lifestyle choices, and aging increases risk, and emphasizing the importance of early assessment. Timely diagnosis and lifestyle interventions can reduce risk or delay the onset. What is the predictive system? The system offers healthcare professionals and individuals a straightforward and rule-based platform. It integrates cognitive tests, genetic data, and lifestyle inputs to assess Alzheimer's risk effectively. Can you go for the next slide? Purpose of this is the early risk assessment, which provides a timely and personalized evaluation of Alzheimer's risk. Proactive management, it offers tailored lifestyle recommendations to delay the disease. Enhanced monitoring, it empowers healthcare professionals with data-driven tools to monitor patients effectively. The system features. The system incorporates features such as secure user registration, cognitive testing, and lifestyle data collections, and a robust algorithm for generating a personalized risk report. Now, Swapnali is going to take over.
Hey, thank you so much, Harika. So as you can see, the diagram represents the three-tier architecture, which is comprises of presentation layer, business logic layer, and persistence layer. Each layer is designed to uh, manage a specific responsibility such as scalability, modularity, and maintainability. Can you please go to the next slide? So as we can see into the diagram, the main actor is the user. He is either a patient or a healthcare provider. And the main entry point is the program entry point as where main.py, which is a Python program. And main functionality here is user can log in, perform cognitive tests, and view their results. It communicates between the business logic layer through the APIs and send and receive the data and information. And user submits the inputs like test information, and it was further processed by the business logic layer. The business logic layer acts as a core processing unit for the system, and it contains the algorithms for cognitive testing, risk analysis, and generating the personalized recommendations. It also validates it also validates the data received from presentation layer and interacts with the persistence layer for data storage and retrieval. And it further sends the results to the presentation layer for the persistence. At the moment, we are using the inline database, but we have planned for the future enhancement using the MySQL persistence wrapper, where we are able to store the information into the MySQL databases. The functionality is mainly handling data storage, such as user profile and test score and the risk assessment results. And we are using abstract base classes to define the interfaces for database operations and ensuring the modularity and flexibility. And it receives the request from the business logic layer and stores and help retrieve the data securely and perform those operations. So as we can see, all three layers goes hand in hand and orchestrate the predictive system for the Alzheimer's disease, and it does help the patients and healthcare provider to make a difference. Thank you so much, and I am handing over to Aishwarya. Over to you.
Thank you, Swapnali. And now I'll be talking about the algorithm overview. So here, towards the left side, it is the data flow of the algorithm, and here it's the algorithm is mainly based on three things: the inputs which we get from the cognitive test scores, genetic data page, and the lifestyle information. And one, the data is processed by the algorithm, and some weights are assigned to each input based on the predefined rules to calculate the risk score. And at the end, the report is generated through the output. There, the personalized risk score and recommendations on individual profiles will be displayed. So, the main use cases of our application include informative homepage, the cognitive testing screen, and generating the risk report. And now I'll be showing the demo of our product. So if you see, this is our homepage of our application. Our application name is NeuroCheck, and here this is our homepage. Here, homepage it displays about what our application is and who all should be taking this test and why. And these are few tabs on on our application, like about us. This describes what the application is about and all. Our privacy policies about the application, and this tab describes about the research behind our Alzheimer's disease testing software development. And here, this also shows the privacy policy and terms of services of our application. And going back to the home page, if one individual wants to take the test, here we should click on the Get Started button. And this is personal information questionnaire. Uh, it's asking me to enter the name. Here in this application, everything is like every field is mandatory field. So if I don't enter any field, it has to throw an error. And the zip code has to be numerical digit. It validates that. For example, say I enter alphabets, it has to throw me error. And for gender and some other fields, drop down is there with the data predefined. So here, as I did not fill this and fill zip code as alphabets, it has to throw me error. So if you see here, it says street address is required and zip code must be a 5-digit number. So mm, yeah, now I've entered it correctly and I'm going to next page. And this is lifestyle and genetic questions questionnaire. So this is family history. If anybody of the family members are having this, we have to mention no family history. And this APOE status is optional. If one is not sure about it, he need not fill it. And about diet, how it is, and about the exercise, the social engagement. And I'll go on next. And this is memory test. We'll have to memorize these words, and it will pop up for 5 seconds, and then I'll have to remember, and we have to write what we remember with comma separated words. So the spaces, uh, even though if you give or not give the spaces, the application will automatically take it as space and it will give the results based on that. And this is digit span test. Again, here you'll have to memorize the digits, and you'll have to write in this new prompt with spaces. And this is the shape memory test. Again, you'll have to remember the shapes, and you'll have to select what all shapes you have seen in the Yes, and this is every time you write the test, this is automatically generated. So based on my test results, it says that 24% in the risk category, it considered it as low risk. And here in the detailed results, it will give me the scores of every individual test. And here in the risk factor analysis section, um, it will say which which risk is detected, and it will give suggestion telling that engage in memory strengthening activities such as puzzles like that based on the results. That's it. And if you want to take the test again, you can again go back to the home page and get started. So this is all about our demo. And coming to key benefits of our app, um, for individuals, it is giving personalized insights into cognitive health and proactive steps to delay the potential onset. So it's very helpful for individuals to take this test and get a good understanding about their cognitive health. For healthcare professionals, the healthcare professionals will be able to view the patient's data in the application. And currently, we have focused only for the individual's part. In future enhancement, we will look into the healthcare professionals thing. And uh, like I said, in future enhancements, we have multiple different things about developing the healthcare professionals thing, and including enabling API based connectivity with other healthcare platforms for seamless data sharing and improved patient care. And also to improve the comprehensive reporting by like providing interactive dashboard and enhanced graphs. Conclusion. So, finally, our Alzheimer's disease predictive system provides a comprehensive solution for early risk assessment and personalized recommendations. It also empowers individuals to take proactive steps towards their cognitive health and supports healthcare professionals with data driven insights. We call for partnerships with healthcare organizations to expand access and explore broader applications in cognitive health management. Thank you.